assignments is found in course content. And then your course calendar can also be found on what you are completing each week. All right, next I want you to go ahead and click on your syllabus. I just want to show you how to get there and what it looks like. I am not going to read this to you. You need to read it through yourself because there is a syllabus quiz due this first week. Okay? Best form of communication right here is email. This is my office phone. I'm not in my office 24/7, so if you want to get a hold of me, please email me. My office hours do vary. I am available on, let's see, Mondays, Sunday nights and Mondays from 8 to 9 p.m. and then also on Thursdays from 7 to 8 p.m. If you email me within that time frame, I will email you back. I can also Zoom during that time for one-on-one help. Otherwise, you'll expect to hear from me the next business day. Let's see. Like I said, you can go through all of this. It explains how the course works, the assignments. There is a lot. And it also has the calendar listed again. All right, next, course content is where you will find all of your information. You will see this intro video here that I'm posting or making. You also have an online textbook. I highly suggest you get a paper textbook from the bookstore. This online textbook is not user-friendly. It also has frequently asked questions for SAM and technical issues. So if you were to click on that folder, you could see in here how to set up your SAM account, which I'm going to talk you through, and other things. So, week 1 is our Computer Concepts module folder. So this will be highlighted just like this one up here on Monday when it opens. So you'll just click on it, you have your learning objectives, and you have your assignments that are due for the week. The first is the syllabus quiz. It's 5 questions. It's not hard. You just have to read through the syllabus to figure it out. And it's only a 10-minute quiz, so make sure you've read through the syllabus before actually trying to attempt the quiz. Next, you need to introduce yourself in a discussion post, okay? Usually I make introductions like 100-word minimum, and then you have to respond to a peer with 25 words or less. However, your initial post is due on Wednesdays, your peer responses are due on Sundays when everything else is due. Make sure you're completing your discussion posts. To log into SAM, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Computer Apps Pre-Assessment Exam. Once you click on that, this will take you to a new tab, and it's going to ask you, I'm already logged in, but this is going to ask you to set up your account. At the bottom where it asks for your email, it's going to say New User, click here. So you're going to click there, you're going to use your Cali email, and then you'll follow the prompts to fill in your name and everything, and then you'll go back to your Cali email. So if you log in, you click your Cali email here, and you'll have a welcome email from Cengage that you'll click on, and then you'll put in your Cali password, and you'll be set up to go. So from there on out, you'll just be able to click on our links to get to all the same assignments, and they'll open automatically for you. And so they'll look something like this when they open. Sorry, my computer's slow. All right. So that's the pre-assessment. This pre-assessment, once everyone's done, so on Sunday, I will change your grade to 100%. So if you do not know how to do anything, do not freak out. By the end of the semester, you will know how to complete these tasks. I promise. Okay. You can move through them right here. Okay. If you don't know it, just skip it. Once you get through all 50, just click submit, and then a box will come up and say okay. It'll submit your score, and like I said, I will give you 100%. This is just for our records. It's not going to hurt your grade. And please don't forget that you don't know anything. I promise you will learn. Okay. So, after you've done that in your pre-assessment, which will be found in this folder, I'm sorry, I don't know why it's not in there right now, you will go ahead and complete your digital literacy quiz. Okay? Everything you need to complete this quiz can be found on these links right here. So you can use them for the quiz. I don't care. But my main goal is to get you set up through SAM and get that pre-assessment done this week so we can actually start with assignments from here on out. Okay? So each week a new module folder will open, and inside that folder is where you'll find your assignments. Alright, if you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, good luck.